Good day everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. What I have today is how to cut an African buba top. It's a very simple one. All you need to do is to watch this tutorial to the end. Now this is the fabric. Now the length of this top, this African buba top, I make it 27. It's not a normal, it's a free top. So it's not a normal one. Our other blouse, when we make it fitted, this one is a free one, and the length also is not going to be short, it's going to be free, normal. So right now I've made this 27, but the standard one is between 25 to 27. So right now I'm going to measure the bodies. Now as you can see, this fabric is already on fold. You see, it's on fold, and I'm working with the wrong side of this fabric. It's on fold, can you see? So to measure the bodies of this top, you see, you use the biggest part of the body to cut out the shape. It's not actually a shaped top, to cut out the bodies. Right now, most of the time, it's either we use hip circumference or bust circumference to cut out. Whichever one is the biggest, that's the one we use. Right now, this very one, like this very person, I have it 42 as the hip is bigger than the bust. 42 as the hip, and 42 divided by 4, I will be having like 10.5 inches. So what I shall be doing right now, that 10.5 inches, I shall be adding 3 inches. That's the standard. You add between 3 and or 4 inches to whatever you have as 1/4 of either the the hip circumference or the bust circumference. So that is how I've achieved what I have here. Can you see? Let me measure it so that you can see. So here I have 13.5 inches. So that is the way to achieve in cutting out the bodies of this African buba top. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to cut out the neckline. So the neckline is usually between 3, for the width is usually between 3 to 4 inches, depending on what the person wants. But the standard one is between 3 to 3.5 inches for the width of the neckline. So I will be marking 3.5 inches for the width. I have it right here. So for the depth, I will be making it 4 inches. 4 inches for the depth of this neckline. So I'm going to measure 4 inches right there to give me a straight line, after which I connect the lines together. So next thing, I shall be connecting the lines together. So the next thing I shall be doing is to make a round curve. So to make a round curve is very simple. I'm just going to reduce this line by 1 inch inward. Can you see? 1 inch inward. Then I come to this place, 1 inch inward as well. So I make my curve right from that place. So can you see? So right now I'm going to cut it off. Now coming to the arm, the sleeve of this top. So it depends on what the person wants actually. So it's just between 10 to 13 inches. So it's better, on the safer side, it's better you measure the person, or you get the desire of the person or the client you want to make this for. But for this particular one, I will be making it like 12 inches. 12 or 11 inches. So the next thing is to cut the arm. So let me make this 11 inches. 11 inches is okay, because I wouldn't want it to be too bogus. So 11 inches. So right now I'm going to notch this place. Make sure it give me then I notch. So I'm going to cut out what I have here. So right now I'm going to open it. Can you see? This is what I have. So the next thing is for me to cut the sleeve, after which I attach it and we are done. So in cutting the sleeve, what I have here, what I marked here, I marked 11 inches. So for the round sleeve, the circumference of the sleeve is exactly what I have here, is what I shall be cutting out as the sleeve, so that by the time I sew it, one will not be longer than the other. So it will give me an accurate answer. So with this, I've come to the end of this tutorial. It's as simple as that. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please let me know by posting your question in the comment section, and it will be attended to. I want to appreciate you once again for always being there, for supporting my video by clicking it, giving it a liking support. Thank you very much. Till I come your way some other time, remember this channel is 2-in-1. It's a channel where you can learn how to cut and sew, and at the same time how to crochet your wares. So take note of that. If you're watching my tutorial for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell, so that anytime I post or release a new video, you can have access to it. Bye bye till we meet again.